Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you a video of actually this is a very good healthy food. You know if everyone knows about this chicken feet. I'm going to cook this chicken feet. We call this adobo. And this chicken feet is not yet clean actually. So I'm going to remove the skin on this, around this. This chicken feet will give us a very good collagen in our body. It is a replacement collagen in the body. Once you eat this chicken feet, it will give your skin glow. And of course, before I start, I have to keep that clean. Then I'm going to match with this salad, a very simple one. I'll put a tuna with 2 pieces of carrots, with 2 pieces as well with cucumber, 2 tomato with this is the very favorite of mine. I'm sorry. This is a very nice one. Yeah, this is from Spain, originally from Spain. And of course, I have to put an olive oil. Alright, so watch for the next one. Let me prepare this for you guys.